welcome to Kids Vids. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Masala Chaas, which is also called as buttermilk. So, the ingredients you'll need is yogurt, cold water, a big bowl to mix everything in, some ginger, cilantro, cumin powder, mint leaves, green chili, and some salt, and a blender. And also, when you're using the blender, make sure to use it under a parent's supervision. So, let's get started. So first, step 1 is to take all of the curd and put it inside the big bowl. And step 2 is to take all of the spices and you're gonna put it inside the big bowl. You're gonna take the blender and you're gonna blend all these together. So step 3 is to take all of the cold water and we're gonna pour it inside the mixture. And then next, you have to blend it once again. Now look, my bubbly chaas is ready. Now it's time to pour this inside an ice cube glass. Now finally, it's time to garnish it with some mint leaves. Now finally, my chaas is ready and I can't resist it. I need to drink it right now. So good. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Bye!